Look, guys, hope you're well as always. In this world, there are demons and angels. And guess where the human beings, us, basically fall into? We fall right in the middle between the angels and the demons. The way this world works is really strange because the higher your thinking is, the bigger the heart you have, and the more understanding you have of life in general, basically, you will be challenged a lot more. You will face a lot more despair, and unfortunately, you will have to suffer, and the pain is a lot more. And this is simply because of your intellect and the way you think. And the reason why I say we are dead in between angels and demons is because you always have a choice. You can decide to be a good person, or you can decide to be a bad person. It's as simple as that. Us human beings were between angels and demons. You choose where or which path you want to go down. That is the reality of the world that we live in. Ciao, ciao. I'll see you in the next one.